What are you gonna do? Oh, he's so silly. He did. He wants a daddy. He finally jumped. Hi everyone. I just brought some wood in. Dexter wasn't very much help. It's he took one sniff out there and ran inside. It's 20 below out, and he's probably gonna bite my nose. It's all right to nibble, but he bites too hard. Here, let's put him down for that. No, we'll put him down. Put Kitty down. Oh, he's really hanging on tight now. See this? He won't. Oh, put Kitty down. Oh, get Kitty away. Kitty. Put this kitty down. Oh, no. He won't let go. No, let's put him down. I gotta do something. Oh, he won't let go. Kitty says no, and he's gonna bite my nose, so I'm gonna get mad because he bite too hard. You get down. Anyway, thanks y'all for watching and everything. He's a nut. He's still a nut. He won't let go. Get him away. Get him down. Talk about a clingy cat. He clings. He hangs on like a little monkey. Anyway, thank y'all. And it's 20 below out, but staying warm in here. Dexter has a heated cat bed too. I'm sure he likes that. Bye-bye.